Greetings, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about creating a virtual install of Windows 10 using VirtualBox. By now everyone should be pretty comfortable with using VirtualBox to create a virtual install, and we're going to use the same procedure that we use for our Server 2016 full install and our Server 2016 core. So we're going to begin by going up inside of the VirtualBox Manager. We're going to click on New. That brings up the Create Virtual Machine Wizard, and we're going to create a Windows 10 machine. So I'm going to scroll on down here. I'm going to be using Windows 10 64-bit, and I'm going to give this a user-friendly name. I'm just going to call it Windows 10. The virtual client is just for confirming that our configurations are actually working on the server, in the network, and for the domain. So we're going to use this to verify that DNS is working by ensuring that the Windows 10 client can pull down the information from the server. Now, it doesn't make any difference what client you use. If you want to use Windows 7, you're free to use Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. And the last thing we want to be able to demonstrate is how to join a client to a Windows Server 2016 or a Server 2012 network. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And again, I'm going to leave the RAM right where it's at. I'm going to click Next. Again, we're going to create a virtual hard disk now. I'm going to say Create. And we're going to leave it at VDI. Say Next. And we're going to leave it dynamically allocated. And we're going to accept the default of 50 gigabyte. We're going to say Create. Once you have created that virtual disk and you need to make some changes to the settings, you can just right click on it and go to Settings, and you'll have access to everything that you've configured. To begin this installation process, we're going to do exactly as we did before. We're just going to double click our virtual disk, and that's going to begin the installation process. Again, I'm going to click on the folder icon. I'm going to browse on over to the location for my Windows 10 ISO image. I'm going to double click it, and when I get back, I'm going to just click on the Start button, and that's going to begin the installation process. The installation process for Windows 10 or Windows Server 2016 is exactly the same. So we're going to go ahead and begin the process just by clicking on Next. Now here again I have chosen the correct language, the time and the currency format, and my keyboard layout. Click Next, and again we have the Install Now button. Again, it would like to go ahead and activate Windows, but I'm going to go ahead and skip this. And that's going to begin the 180-day trial. I'm going to go ahead and accept the license agreement, say Next, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Custom again, and I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm just going to say Next. That begins the installation process of the files, and when it's done, we will again reboot a couple of times, and then we will complete the installation process for Windows 10. You'll notice that in my VirtualBox Management Console, I have a number of already built virtual machines. Now you can create as many virtual machines in VirtualBox as you have disk space for. And you can run those virtual machines as many as you have RAM and CPU power for. So if you have a machine that is lacking in CPU and RAM, you're only going to be able to run 2 or 3 machines at a time. Now I've got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I have an i7 processor quad core, and it's everything that I can do to run those 3 machines, especially with Server 2016. If you need to update your RAM, you might want to consider doing it now. If you need to free up resources and RAM so that you could run multiple virtual machines at the same time, then you can right click on your toolbar down at the bottom of your desktop and go to Start Task Manager. Up inside of the Task Manager, you'll find everything that's currently running. Now, if you see things in here that you don't need, such as drag and speak, whatever the program might be, you can go ahead and right-click on it. For instance, I'll go ahead and kill Skype. I can right-click on it, and I can go to End the Process Tree. Go ahead and click that, End the Process Tree. Now, I've just gotten rid of Skype. Now, it's going to free up some resources. And you can go in here, you can continue to do that, and that's going to help some. Sooner or later, we all outrun our resources, and there will come a time when we're going to have to bite that bullet and break out the wallet and go out and get ourselves a bigger, faster, a better machine with more RAM and more CPU power to help support what it is we want to do with technology. That's just the nature of the beast. None of us are going to be able to keep doing what we're doing because we grow and we get better at multitasking and we become more proficient with using those resources. So they can't keep up with us forever. One of the things we learn by working in technology long enough is that our hardware needs to last us somewhere between 5-6 years, maybe 7 years. But to do that, we have to be able to upgrade it. So when we buy a machine, we don't want to be stuck with just the limitations of what's on there currently. We want to know that, yes, I can put in a newer, better, faster processor, and I can install so much more RAM. That's what we have to look for when we buy that new machine. When we buy that new machine and we get our triple desktop monitor in place, we're going to need to protect that investment. And the best way you can do that is getting a UPS, uninterrupted power supply. That's going to help clean the current. And there's nothing harder on hardware than bad voltage. There's nothing that'll tear it up quicker than fluctuating voltage and dirty current. So the UPS has the ability to make sure that the current remains constant and that it is clean. And that's what you need to get the longest life out of your hardware. So that's a good investment. The setup process has completed. My Windows 10 machine is now going to restart. And when we come up, we will continue on with the installation of Windows 10 for our virtual network. So my Windows 10 machine, has rebooted for the last time, and now it's going to come up and we're going to be prompted for that administrator password. Here we're prompted for the product key, but we're going to go down and we're going to click on where it says do this later. I'm now going to scroll on down and we're going to use the Express settings to install. The installation of Windows 10 continues on, and it will continue on until it's done installing the critical updates and anything else it needs to install before it's going to give us a desktop. And we have another reboot, and now Windows 10 has started back up, and we'll see how far we get with the installation process of this time. Now for my own personal preference, what I do with Windows 10 is I try to make it behave as much like Windows 7 as I possibly can. And to do this, I uninstall all of those small programs that are running in the background using PowerShell, and then I clean it up as much as I possibly can, and then I uninstall that tile menu that we get with the default installation of Windows 10, and I install a classic startup menu for Windows 7. That helps alleviate all of that slowness when we get rid of all that stuff that's running in the background. So now it's going to ask me, do I want to join a local directory domain, or I can connect to a Azure Active Directory. I'm going to go ahead and select join a local Active Directory domain. It says if you plan to join your PC to a domain, we will help you set up the domain account now. When setup is finished, join the domain as you have in the past. I'll just say next. And now I'm just going to say next. And it wants the username for this PC. So I'm just going to go ahead and just give it a username. Then it wants to make it secure using one of those secure complex passwords. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my passwords. So I've typed in my complex password and I give it a hint. I'm going to say next. And we're going to go ahead and let this thing finish installing. And then we should finally get to a desktop. It's now setting up all those small applications that run in the background. When we get done with the installation, I'll take you up and I'll show you how I go about removing all those small little applications that are running in the background that we never use using PowerShell. Again, I'm going to turn off network discovery. Just say no to that. So I've opened up a browser and I'm just waiting for it to give me a default search engine so that I can get inside and show you how I uninstall all those useless applications. As far as far as browsers go, Edge is pretty useless. Internet Explorer is still available inside of here. All I have to do is just type in iExplorer in the search engine. I can bring it up. But I'm going to just use Edge, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to find those PowerShell commands that would allow me to uninstall all this stuff. So you see that it's a well-known topic up inside of the internet. So I'm just going to type in or select remove programs from Windows 10. And I can follow that up with PowerShell if I like. Here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and find one of my favorite hacks for removing all those programs using PowerShell. This is one of the better articles on how to remove all the useless programs. And it just takes you down, introduces you to PowerShell, and at the same time you get some introduction into how PowerShell actually works and what packages you can remove. I forgot to mention that to use PowerShell in Windows 10 you have to launch it as the administrator. So I'm going to again type in PowerShell, and from the options I'm going to right click on where it says Windows PowerShell, and I'm going to select Run as Administrator. I've gone out to the internet and I've gotten the commands that I need to be able to uninstall all those useless programs that are running in the background, to include the Microsoft Windows alarms. So I'm just going to highlight that. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to go back over to my PowerShell, and I'm going to right click, and that puts it into the command prompt of the PowerShell. I'm now going to hit enter, and it comes back to the prompt letting me know that the command completed successfully. So that's something that you can do to help free up those resources that are being ate up by all those useless programs that are running on Windows 10. You're going to have to type in those commands one line at a time, or copy and paste them as I did, to be able to remove all those applications. Now if you need to further optimize your Windows 10 machine, there are registry hacks that you can use. There are also a number of services that you can disable, and all that information is available to you for free on the internet, and all you have to do is ask for it. Now the other thing that we can do to help optimize Windows 10 is to get rid of that start menu using tiles. So I like to use the classic shell, so I've just typed in classic start menu, spelt all wrong, but it gets the idea. So I'm going to go over here, and this is the free download. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this. It takes just a second, and we have it for English. So I'm going to go ahead and begin this download. So in just a moment I'm going to show you how you can replace the tile menu in Windows 10 with a more classic Windows 7 start menu. So the download is complete. I'm going to go ahead and select Run, and we're quickly going to step through this. I'm just going to say Next, accept the license agreement, say Next, leave all the defaults, say Next, and Install. User account control comes up. I'm going to say go ahead and allow this to happen, and now I'm going to click Finish. So the first time I go to launch this new classic start menu, it's going to prompt me. It's going to ask me, which style do you like? So I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at Windows 7 style. And now I'm going to say OK. And I can also change that start button. So I'm going to go ahead and make that classic as well. I'm going to say OK. And there we go. Now when I click on the start button, I have a classic Windows 7 start menu. And yes, the classic menu does work on Server 2012, Server 2016, Windows 8, or any of the Windows desktops that you would like to enhance. I would also like to point out that there are some limitations to the different types of Windows 10 or Windows 8 machines that you can add to a domain. For instance, you cannot use any type of home version to join a domain if it's Windows 8 or Windows 10. You have to use at least Professional to be able to get enough configuration, that is to say enough networking configuration components to be able to join a Server 2012 or a Server 2016 domain. So later on in the course we're going to be joining our Windows 10 machine to the domain, and we will be configuring the networking configuration so that it has all the right information so that it can find its domain controller that will allow it to join our Server 2016 domain. And that's going to be later on in the course when we get into configuring our devices, preparing them to join together and network for Server 2016. So that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about creating a virtual install and optimizing Windows 10. Now, if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was covered in this video, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.